Hello champions, I'm back with another amazing video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how many subjects should you study in a day. And let me tell you, there is nothing right and wrong about the number of subjects. And this particular thing, the deciding how many subjects you should study in a day is very subjective. It depends on the person and it differs from person to person. Okay, so what you should ideally do in your case is you should try to know yourself first, like what works better for you. For some people, they can study like 4 subjects in a day. For some people, they can stick to only one subject in a day, and they take too much time to get into the subject, deep into the subject, and then they want to spend some time with the subject, and when they are in the flow, they want to keep reading the subject. This is like category 1 people. There are another category of people, students. They cannot study one subject throughout the day. If they study only one subject, they get bored, they don't feel like studying, and both the things are right. Okay, if I talk about myself, when I was studying till CA Inter, I used to take only one subject in a day. But when I started my preparations for CA final, I started studying 2 subjects in a day, for a simple reason. Being a student, I was excellent at practical subjects. Whichever practical subjects used to be there, I used to always get an exemption in all my practical subjects. So I know I can solve questions, solve problems for hours and hours without getting bored. But when I came to final, CA final, I realized that my theoretical subjects are more huge as compared to practical. And if I study only practical, then studying only theory subjects toward the end, it's gonna be little boring and more tiring process for me. And that's when I decided I will study practical and theory subjects together. Okay, so first step for you to know how many subjects you should study in a day is to experiment with your own self. Okay, one day or 2 day, try to study only one subject in a day and create a log of how you were doing during the day. Did you like it? What are the pros and cons for you if you study one subject in a day? And then for the next 1 or 2 day, try studying 2 subjects or 3 subjects, whatever you feel like, and then again create a log of what went right for you, what are the pros, what are the cons. If you felt your studies for 2 subjects in a day was good, then try studying 3 subjects in a day, and then again see pros and cons, and then 3 is good, then try 4. Okay, so like this, if you did not like studying 2 subjects in a day and you were better doing one subject in a day, then maybe you will have to stick to one subject. But if you are okay studying multiple subjects in a day, then keep on experimenting and seeing what is the right number of combination for you. Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? So this is the first thing. You should experiment with your own self. You should try to know your own studying pattern, which is the best thing. Now let's say if you are you really could not understand what is right and what is wrong for you, and you would like to know the best approach in the ideal case scenario, then I would recommend you to stick to yourself to 2 subjects in a day. Okay, this is the best, or I would say the ideal case scenario. You should always pick 2 subjects, and the combination should be such that one theory, one practical, one boring, one interesting, one difficult, one easy. Okay, and if you create this combination, it will also help you balance and manage your studies throughout the day. For example, there are few people who are very productive in the morning. So when you know you are very productive in the morning, you can take a difficult subject, you can take a boring subject. And let's say if you are not so productive during the daytime, at that point of time you can take an interesting subject, an easy subject, so that you can go on. So having the combination of 2 subjects also helps you make the most from the day. And I hope this video helped you figure out how many subjects you should stick to, how many subjects you should study in a way, and make sure you plan your studies and subjects in a way that it allows you to manage your entire day very nicely. And just like this, if you have any other concern, any other challenges in your study journey, then make sure you drop comments and let me know the challenges so that I can address them in my coming videos. I will see you on again tomorrow with another powerful video, and until then, take really good care of yourself, drink a lot of water, eat good food, and think only good thoughts. And no matter what, keep smiling. Your smile is the most precious gift from the God. It's the most beautiful curve on the planet. Do not let anyone take it away from you or fade it for you. So everyone, let's be happy because of the world. Let's be happy despite of the world. And don't worry about your studies. Leave that to me. I'm your smart study coach, Ayushi Garg, signing off for today.